sa panakatigom.
And then that's how he got saved.
So dihadto naluwas siya.
So because of this brother who visited him.
Tungod nini nga igsoon nga mibisita niya.
Amen. So don't belittle your function.
Ayaw ipakagamay ang imong function.
Right? Amen. You can visit your friends.
Atong mamisita ka sa atong mga amigo.
Visit the dormant saints.
Atong bisitahon katong wala na nagtigom.
Right? Bring them back to the meeting.
Dadaw na tos pinagkatigom.
Amen. So the third function is to serve in the church.
Ang ikatulong nga function pag-alagad diha sa iglesia.
Amen. So there are so many services in the church.
Daghan kayong pagpangalagad sa iglesia.
Today it's so hard to find a job outside.
Karon lisod kayo manitag trabaho sa gawas.
There's always no vacancy.
Sige lang, no, walay bakante.
Amen. But in the church, we should not say no vacancy.
Pero sa iglesia, wag gyud ta mingog walay bakante.
Amen. There is a job.
Naagay trabaho sa matag usa.
Right. You know, there's a hymn says, in the church of Jesus there is love for you.
Naikanta nga nagingon nga ang iglesia sa Dios nanginahanglan nato.
There is love. There is love for you.
Naigugma alam nimo.
Amen. But there's a stanza there that says, in the church of Jesus there is work for you.
There is stanza diha nga ang iglesia sa Dios, ang iglesia sa Ginoong Hesus naibuhat nimo.
Amen. It means, brothers and sisters, each one of us can serve.
Nagpasabot kini mga igsoon nga matag usa makaalaga.
What our brother Kirby a while ago was emphasizing.
Atong igsoon Kirby sa miagi yang gipabugatan.
Right, this is the age of the priesthood. Each one of us is a priest. Each one of us should serve the Lord.
Yung pabugatan niya karon panahon sa mga saserdote o matag usa mga saserdote.
Amen. During the time when they were preaching the gospel in Chifu,
diyan nga panahon nag-ebanghelyo dito sa Chifu,
the brotherly testified that the saints who were wiping the chairs,
ang igsoon na matod nga nausa ka igsoon nga nanrapo.
Not just one, but all the saints.
Dili lang day kundi tanang mga igsoon ang rapo sa lingkuranan.
Well, they were arranging the chairs and they were wiping.
Sa dihang nag-arrange sila ilang gi-arrange ang lingkuranan o ilang gituhan,
they were praying.
Nagampo sila.
They pray that, Lord, remember the one who will sit here on this chair.
Nagampo sa Ginoo imong dinhi igsoon makalingkod niini.
Lord, remember that friend who will sit here. Make him open for the gospel.
Imong dinhi amigo nga makalingkod niini bukas sa ebanghelyo.
Amen, right? And when Brother Lee was giving the message or speaking, there were brothers and sisters who were praying for him.
Sa diha isong namulong ang mga igsoon nagampo niya.
Amen. So here we can see the whole body is serving.
Makita nato nga ang tanang bahin sa lawas ng alagad.
Amen. You see, I see here many older sisters.
Kita na ko din hinanay mga hangtong na mga igsoong babae.
And I was reminded of a story.
Nakahinumdum ko sa usa ka istorya.
Amen. You know, there was this brother. He was I think a pastor. Yeah, he was a pastor.
Sa siya ka pastor.
Okay. And then because he is a very good speaker.
Tungod kay maayo man sa mamulong.
He's always speaking the meetings.
Sige sa mamulong sa panagkatigom.
So one time he had a dream.
Usa ka panahon na siya damgo.
He dreamt that the Lord already came back.
Ang damgo siya nga ang Ginoo mibalik na.
And the Lord was giving out the awards.
Yan ang hatag ng Ginoo reward,
right?
Gante.
Yeah. So, and he thought that because he is so useful in the Lord, he will receive a big reward.
Una man siya nga nagamit man sa Ginoo makadawat siya dako nga ganti.
So he was waiting for his name to be called.
Nagulat siya ngayon ngalan tao ko na.
So then one by one names were called, and then they brought out this crown that was full of jewels. It was shining.
Ano ba naging niya nagdawat na sa crown kaning purong-purong puno sa mga hamiling bato nagsidla.
And then he thought that his name will be called.
Naghunaw na siya nga ako.
That prize surely is for me.
Naghunaw na siya nga ako ngalan nagitog kanang Ganti ako, yun na.
But you know, his name was not called, but the one that was called was an old sister.
Wa ba mo nasayod nga, dili yang ngalan gitawag, kundi usa ka hamtong nga sister.
And then, when he saw that old sister,
kanatigulan na igsong babae,
he said, I know this sister.
Nakabalo ko ng igsong nga babae.
I know this sister. This sister always comes to our church.
Kami igsong tigulan nga babae sa ginig ani sa tigumanan.
And I know this sister, he's always late in the meetings.
Kabalo ko na sige man sa malit sa tigom.
And when he comes, he always sit at the
Unya sa tulay, suyo mulingkod.
And then when he sits there, he's always sleeping. While I was speaking, he's always sleeping.
Unya sa ulit matulog, kung ako namulong natulog.
So she cannot understand, Lord, how come the prize is given to her and not to me?
Wasa kasabot nga ang ganting anong gihatag niya anong dili man ako.
Oh, and then the Lord said, oh, you don't know?
Ang Ginoo nag-ingon, wa ba ka nasayod?
Oh, you know when that sister comes to the meeting,
ang kana isang babayanan nga sa tigom,
she is always praying for you.
Sige, sag-ampo alam nimo.
Don't think she's sleeping. She's praying.
Ayaw na nagdatulog siya kundi gaampo siya.
That's why you're a good speaker.
Muna nga dili ka maayong mamumulong. Muna nga maayo ka mamumulong.
It's because she was praying for you.
Kaya nag-ampo siya diha nimo, nag-ampo siya para nimo.
Amen. Oh, amen. After hearing that,
sa diha nakaduhog sa ngadto,
this pastor woke up from his sleep.
Nakamata siya sa angkat pagkatulog.
Oh, and then he repented before the Lord.
Hinulsol siya ngadto sa Ginoo.
Right? So sisters, don't belittle your part in the
mga isang babae ay pagkadamay ay inyong bahil.
Even just by praying.
Bisan to kanimo pag-ampo.
That is your function.
Kana mao inyong function.
Amen. And that is remembered by the Lord.
O kana hinumduman gayud sa Ginoo.
And then reminded of another story. This also an old sister who reached up to 100 years old.
Nakadungog sa kaistorya pod nga usa ka tigulang isang babae nga niabot og usa ka gatos.
So the people, the saints were asking her,
ang mga balaan nangutanan niya,
Sister, why do you think you live so long?
Unsa may ginahuna naming mitaas man imong kinabuhi.
Right? Why do you think the Lord, amen, has not yet taken you?
Sa ginahuna nga wala pa magakuhaas Ginoo.
So the sister said,
ay isang babae ningon, baka nasayod?
Why I'm still here on this earth?
Nganong nakapamangkod ang alagad?
Because the Lord wants me to do the ministry of prayer.
Ang Ginoo gusto rin nakos magbuhat ko sa pagpangalagad sa pag-ampo.
Amen. So our sister was clear.
Ang usa ka isang babae, klaro siya.
You know, as a sister in that advanced age, he was already old.
Ang sa isang babae nga tigulang na,
outwardly she cannot do much.
Sa gawas na physical din agad sa kahimo,
but she can still pray.
Pero makaampo gihapon siya.
Amen. So just by even praying in the meetings,
sa sama pagi diha mag-ampo kada sa pagkatigon,
that is also our function.
Kana ang atong function.
Amen. You know, observing many young people,
atong pagpangatiman sa mga batanon,
observing many of the young people in the meetings,
observing pag gatanaw ta sa mga batanon diha sa pagkatigom,
you know, I see that they are very inconsistent.
Nakita nako nga inconsistent kanang usab-usab.
Sometimes they are burning,
usahay dasig kayo.
They are so burning. Oh, they will pray in the meetings. They will prophesy in the meetings.
Usahay dasig kayo mo ampo dayon mo propesya sa tigom.
But when they are not in the mood, they will not pray. They will not open their mouth.
Pero wala sa mood, dili mo ampo, dili bukas silang baba.
Amen. Brothers and sisters, how can the church be built up in this way?
Mga igsoon, unsa man pagtukod ang iglesia nini nga paagi.
Amen. Right? Isn't it enjoyable? The meeting is enjoyable when everyone is functioning.
Dili baka ang tigom enjoyable kanang malitayon kayo kung matago sa nagpansyon.
Amen. Right? So, amen. we are all living to the Lord.
Kitang tanan magkinabuhi jud diha sa Ginoo.
Whether we live to the Lord. Whether we die to the Lord.
Kung mabuhi ta sa Ginoo. Kung mamatay ta, alang ta sa Ginoo.
We all are responsible to the Lord.
Kitang tanan matagusan nato ang Ginoo may responsibility din nato.
Manubag ta sa
Ginoo. Manubag ta sa Ginoo.
Amen.
Amen.
So, we're all accountable, right? Lord.
Manubag kita sa Ginoo mga igsoon.
Amen. That's why, brothers and sisters,
tungod na mga igsoon.
right? Oh, we need to make a determination before the Lord.
Kinahanglan determination no alang sa Ginoo. Bugos ta alang sa Ginoo.
Amen. This meeting belongs to all of us.
Kani nga tigom ato ni tanan.
Amen. I will make sure that whenever I come to the meetings, I will function.
Ako gyud siguruhon kung manakos panagkatigom mo function gyud ko.
Amen. As long as there's opportunity, I will function.
Basta na oportunidad mo function gyud ko.
Amen. Oh, in this way, God is glorified.
Nini nga paagi mahimaya ang Ginoo.
Amen. Oh, we give God the glory.
Atong hatag ang paghimaya sa Ginoo.